Good morning, everyone. Make sure my camera's straight. Okay, so today we're going to work on my frog for Froggy Friday, the collaboration. I think it's with Nerd Goblin Art, Dragons and Dresses, Craftsorium, and I can't remember who all else. But I'll be sending my video to Lula at Nerd Goblin Art. So here's what I've done so far. I wanted to kind of get my frog a little bit prepared so that it didn't take so long to get it done. Pardon my voice. I told you guys yesterday but I feel fine. It's just that I've got this yuckiness in my throat. All right, so yesterday from the cat and dog memorial thing, I had some clear left over, so I went ahead and poured in my clear in the base of the legs and the chest of the frog. I've already got the eyes put in. Today, I've already got my clear mixed up. We're going to add some sprinkles. I have never put sprinkles in my resin. Everybody does it, but I always thought that they would melt. So today we're going to use these sprinkles. So let me pour out some of this resin because I don't think we're going to need all of this resin. So let me... And these are sparkly, but it just looks to me like there's just green, maybe glitter in there. So we're just going to... And then we're just going to let that cure. And then we're going to put another coat of something else on top of that. So no clue how many we will need here. Oh, let me find a stick here. Gosh, every time I start recording, he starts barking. Every time. I want this to be rather thick. I honestly did not think that you could put sprinkles in resin. I really honestly thought they would melt. Seriously. I mean, all it is candy, right? All right, now we're going to pour that in there. We're going to put that down there inside that head. I don't want to fill it up because we're going to do something else. For the back layer. Just want enough to cover those spots on his arms and his legs and on the back there. Just like that. And we'll put a few more over here for his front legs. So I just want to make sure that they're in there. And his back legs. And I don't want his head to be completely covered up there, because we're just going to put a layer in there. But I want it to be even, just like that. I think that does it. Okay, I think that's going to do it. Now, when this is not cured, but really tacky, like really tacky, we'll come back and we'll do the rest. I think. We've got a little bit in here. I can put it in something else. Shove a couple more of these up in here. Just like that. All right, there you go. We'll be back when this is ready for the next layer, and I'll show you what we're going to do with it. Ha! His eyes are still intact. Yep. All right, we'll see you guys on when it's time to put the next layer in. Okay, bye. Hey y'all, welcome back. So we are ready to pour the next layer. My resin's mixed up. I do have two colors that we're going to marble into this, and that is the Let's Resin Spring Green. I just need to mix in some resin here. Mix this up. Excuse me. Make sure we have that mixed up really good in there. Make sure there's no mica clumps, or I call mica bubbles. Okay, now this is gold, and it is from Michaels, and it's the Recollections brand. Sorry, guys. honestly, I feel fine. I just sound terrible. All right. Okay. Let's go ahead and mix in some more resin. All right. I have brushed his toes with the Let's Resin Intense Chameleon Powder Gold. And now we're just going to pour this in here. And we're just going to marble it. Whoa. That would have been a disaster. Okay. Go under here because we don't want bubbles under his chin. And then we're going to let him cure. And we'll be back when he's ready to come out of that mold. All right, guys. See you in a little while. Bye. Hey, y'all. Sorry, my microphone died. I didn't even know it. I thought it was on. When I turned it on, the lights were green, and it died probably right after I started the video. So basically, I unmolded this, and it's done. I can't believe that candy did not melt. So anyway, basically what I said is that I put his crown on. I filled in these little green or little spots in between his toes because they turned out gold and they weren't supposed to, excuse me, they weren't supposed to be. colored in his mouth, and his eyes turned out really good. So basically, that is him in a nutshell. But I wanted to, there's one little bubble right down there in the center, and that is it. Other than that, he's perfect. So that's what he looks like. And yeah, I'm really happy with him. And I just want to thank Lula and Tim and Lisa from Girl in the Garage, Tim from Bass Resonator, and Lula from Nerd Goblin Art. They put this this collaboration on every week. It's called Froggy Friday. And so I think I'm going to start joining this every week. I think it's great. I love frogs. And so, yeah. So if you guys would like to join their collab, email one of them. They would be happy to let you join. And yeah, so I will get this over to Lula so she can add it to their collab this week. And yeah, so if you liked my little froggo, smash that like button and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you really should, because you're missing out on cool collabs like this. And yeah, well, that's it for me on this video. I hope you liked it. And remember to stay creative, stay curious, and always stay positive. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye. Have a great evening.